Grandma, I have a question, right? What's my problem like? Like you tell me some things that I need to work on about myself.
I just told you one. See, you've been gone so long, I have to be around you more. Just told you once.
Yeah.
Show patience. You need to work on
Yeah. Short patience.
it. And you may not believe me. The Lord showed me something about you yesterday on the porch. You gonna preach for that man before you leave this world. You might not believe it right now, but if I'm gone, you remember your grandma told you. Yep.
I believe it. But it's like, you know what I think it is, Grandma? When throughout the years when you had us in the church, you installed good principles in us, and you introduced us to God. Whether we was able to understand it or not, God worked with every last one of us in his own way. So like, through the time as I got older, I started to take the initial steps to learn who God was on my own because of the things I was going through that I felt like he was the only person I could go to at the time. On the streets, I wouldn't really have time to do. You witnessed me on the streets at the time when the church tried to pray and things, when things wasn't going right for me, but I was more running to him because I just needed him to fix something for me.
We all do that, Joey. There ain't nobody is with God now didn't try to use God. You see.
Right.
There is not one. And he knows that what we gonna do.
Yeah.
And he let a lot of stuff come in our life so we can learn. Like some people say, oh, I don't know why God, but God ain't punished you nothing. You did it.
Yep.
I'm having hard luck. You made your luck.
Yes.
Dog, it makes me sick when I hear people carry on like that. We do these things, and he let them. He moves his hand and let us have our way.
Yep. And you know what? Like, that's something that I feel like grateful for, that I understood that every time something bad happened to me, I never got angry with God. Not one time, Grandma.
No, me either, Joey. When I lost your daddy, your uncle, your aunt, no.
Everybody by the bullet or the gun, huh?
No, except your daddy. And he didn't do that, but it was all of them went by man hand.
Yeah.
See, he was doing what he couldn't do. He couldn't. He wasn't nobody could sell that stuff because he was using too much himself. And I used to tell him, and everybody else told him. Even Ricky then was really like Joel. Used to tell him,